Hello everyone and welcome to this new video. I am Simona from Simo's Arts and today I'll show you how to embed dried flowers in resin.
When your flowers are completely dry, you can move on to resin.
Choosing the right resin for your project is essential. If your project doesn't require much depth, a one-to-one craft resin is perfect. If your project requires depth, as in the case of deep blocks like this one, the best choice is a deep pour resin. I use the Deep Pour from Craft Resin. Now let's see how to embed the flowers in resin. Step 1. Secure the composition. Flowers tend to move and float in liquid resin, so they need to be fixed. Pour a thin layer of resin and use it as a base. Step 2. Flower placement. This is the moment to be creative. Start with leaves and decorative foliage. Continue by placing bigger flowers, and when you're satisfied with the result, add small details. If you're not sure about the composition, you can do some layout tests before pouring the resin. Now you have to wait the curing time for the first layer. Step 2. Deep pour. Once the first thin layer has cured, proceed with the deep pour. With Deep Pour by Craft Resin, you can pour in a single layer up to 2 inches. The resin will not overheat and it will not damage your flowers. Step 3. Optional top coating. For a mirror-like finish, once all the flowers are fully covered and the resin is cured, you can add the final layer using the one-to-one craft resin as a top coat. And this is the final result.
Don't forget to subscribe to Craft Resin channels for more tips and tricks about resin. See you in the next video. Bye!